friends, I'm Jackie and welcome to my channel. And if you're new here, a very special welcome. Today we're putting something essential in the sewing room to the test, your rotary cutter blades. I'll be reviewing the 45mm titanium coated rotary cutter blades from the Fabric Hut. These blades will fit the Olfa, Fiskars, and any rotary cutter blade that has the notched center blade. And I'm going to be testing this on quilting cotton, denim, and batting. These come in a 10 blade pack with a sturdy plastic storage container. And I love that for safety and organization. And it even has their logo right on the blade. Dull blades in our rotary cutters don't just slow us down, they force us to press harder, which causes pain, especially if you deal with arthritis. And these blades are specifically designed to reduce pressure while cutting. So let's put these blades to the test. I'm using my regular Olfa 45mm rotary cutter. The blade fit perfectly and with no adjustment needed. I've been using this blade for a little over 3 weeks now. Let's try to cut some batiks and other cotton quilting fabric. I need a lot of this for an upcoming craft show. I'm going to be making my book sleeves. And I want to do a lot of batch cutting and sewing. So we'll just open up some fabric here. Aren't these pretty? And put it to the test. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 layers. So let's clean off this edge here. And look at that, 8 layers with hardly any effort. Smooth as butter, there was no drag, and as you can see, there's no fraying. And like I said, I barely used any pressure. So now I need to get 12.5 inches here. Perfect. That was 8 layers, and that's probably all I would go anyway, but how awesome is that? So we'll put these to the side. Let's test some batting. I will be using a lot of batting, and there are 3 layers here. Perfect. It cuts through 3 layers of batting with no problem. And it's gliding cleanly, and there's no stress on my wrist, which I love. Let's test some denim, because I do a lot of scrap fabric projects with denim. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try that. And I do have a heavy duty seam here, so we'll see how it goes. Clean. Let's try three layers of denim. No problem at all. And you can see how cleanly it cut. I love these blades. As you can tell, something else that I do a lot of cutting, I make my own faux cutter quilt blocks. And sometimes I will cut them and make them into other projects. Like this cute little basket. This I need to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need a 6-inch piece. This has the quilt top and some batting. Perfect. And it's a clean cut, guys. So nice. Here's why these blades stand out. They're made with premium materials with titanium coating, less pain and less pressure on our wrists and hands for quilters, right? They're long lasting. They're designed to last up to 6 times longer than standard blades. You get 10 blades in one pack, and that's going to save you money because you won't have to reorder as much. And the fabric cut, they have a money back guarantee. You're going to love this. You can try these blades for 60 days. If you find a blade that's better, they will refund you and you keep the blades. How awesome is that? My honest opinion, these blades deliver on their promises. I've been using the blade that's in this rotary cutter now for a little over 3 weeks. And you got to see with your own eyes how well these cut. They cut beautifully through multiple materials, and we don't want to waste any fabric with the price of fabric nowadays, right? Also, I could feel the difference in how little pressure I had to use. If you're tired of blades dulling too quickly, or if cutting causes pain in your hands or wrist, these are absolutely worth trying. You can find a link in the description box below so that you can get yours. I encourage you to grab the 10-pack and you get to try them risk-free. Let me know in the comments what you struggle cutting through. And remember, no rules, no perfection, just sharp blades and happy scrap fabric quilting. And until the next video, God bless you.